Hare Krishna. Is control of the mind different from purification of the mind? Yes. Control of the mind refers to the situation when the mind wants to go off in unwanted directions and we use the power of our intelligence and our intention for controlling it. Whereas purification of the mind refers to the process by which the unwanted tendencies within the mind are removed. Consider, for example, a person who is habituated to eating meat, and say higher consciousness awakens within that person, and then they feel, why should, for satisfying my tongue, I cause the killing of innocent animals who feel pain just the way I do? So with this awakening of the intelligence, they may resolve, I am not going to eat meat. And yet, their mind may still get the desire. When they go by a Big Mac shop or a KFC, or they go to a party where people are eating meat, or they are going on a flight where non-veg food is being served, they may get the desire. And at that time, with the power of their intelligence and their intention, they control the mind. The mind says, come on, let's take some meat. No, I am not going to take it. So controlling the mind means the unwanted desire, despite being present, is refused to be indulged in. However, if they keep taking healthy food and they gradually develop a taste for healthy food, for example, if they take Krishna Prasad, food that is spiritualized being offered to Krishna, and thus they get a taste for that delicious spiritualized vegetarian food, and as that taste becomes stronger and stronger, then gradually the taste for meat starts decreasing. So purification means that gradually the unwanted craving starts becoming weaker and weaker and weaker. And when the person becomes purified, when the person becomes pure, that means their mind no longer proposes the unwanted thing. So even when they see somebody eating meat, they just don't feel any desire. So when the mind becomes pure, then we become secure. When the mind becomes purified of the lower tendencies, then we become securely situated in our higher intentions. So as long as we need to control the mind, till that time there is struggle. And our principle-centered life will be an austerity. But once the mind becomes purified, then our principle-centered life will no longer be an austerity, but will become a joy. Thank you.